Hey there, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of cordless vacuums, compact, powerful, and perfect for keeping your home spotless without the hassle of cords. Whether you're after something lightweight for quick cleanups or a high-powered model for deep cleaning, we've got you covered with the best cordless vacuums on the market. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vacuum is right for your home and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss out on more tips and top picks for keeping your home clean and comfortable. Let's get started. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson V15 Detect is a top-performing vacuum that continues to impress since its 2021 launch, offering powerful suction and useful features. Its laser on the fluffy optic head highlights dust and debris on hard floors, making it easier to clean. The vacuum also has a sensor that detects particle size and adjusts the suction automatically, with information displayed on an LCD screen in real time. It comes with 3 modes: Auto, Eco, and Boost. Auto works well for most situations, while Boost provides extra cleaning power, and Eco helps conserve battery life. Dyson's suction power is so strong that you rarely need to vacuum the same spot twice, making it ideal for homes with pets. The included attachments like the digital motor bar, hair screw, and crevice tools offer versatility for different surfaces and spaces, including carpets, furniture, and cars. One minor drawback is that you need to hold down the trigger while vacuuming, which can be tiring over long periods. However, the vacuum's overall performance and design make it worth the $750 price. With its deep cleaning ability and range of tools, the V15 Detect remains one of the best cordless vacuums on the market. Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Power Detect Cordless Vacuum is a great runner-up choice because of its strong suction, self-emptying base, and good value for its price. While it's not as powerful as the top pick, it handled pet hair and debris well, usually cleaning everything in one pass. It automatically adjusts suction based on the floor type and how much dirt it detects, and it boosts power when vacuuming along edges like walls. The Multiflex feature lets you bend the vacuum to clean under furniture easily, which is helpful for people with limited mobility. It also has small wheels that make moving between rooms smooth, and a light on the cleaner head helps you see dirt better. One of its best features is the self-emptying base, which recharges the vacuum and empties the dust into a 2-liter bin. This feature is usually found on pricier models, so it adds great value to this $500 vacuum. While it doesn't have Wi-Fi or app connectivity, the self-emptying base is a more practical feature for most people. Tanko Pure 1S11. The Tanko Pure 1S11 is a budget-friendly cordless vacuum priced at $300, often available for less. Although it's not as smooth as other Tanko models, it's lightweight and includes the iLoop Smart Sensor, but it lacks the single-button start found in pricier models. The S11 does a good job cleaning, including picking up pet hair, but you might need to go over some spots more than once for a thorough clean. It has a main cleaner head with headlights and comes with 3 extra attachments for small spaces. The battery lasts about 40 minutes, which should be enough for most small or medium homes, though you may need to recharge if you have a larger space. The bin is small, so it may need frequent emptying during big cleaning jobs. For $300, it's a great value, ideal for those in apartments or small to medium-sized homes, or anyone who wants a simple cordless vacuum without spending too much. It handles pet hair well, but if you have multiple pets, a stronger vacuum with a bigger bin might be a better choice. Dyson V15 Submarine Wet-Dry Vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect Submarine is a powerful vacuum that also washes hard floors, making it ideal for those looking for both functions in one machine. It's similar to the V15 Detect, but comes with a special Submarine wet cleaner head that has 2 water tanks for clean and dirty water and a scrubbing brush bar. You fill the clean tank with water, attach it, and the vacuum washes the floor while sucking up spills and dirt into the dirty tank. In tests, it worked well at cleaning hardwood and tile floors, though tougher stains took a few extra passes. While it doesn't use heat like a steamer, it's still effective and much more convenient than a corded steamer. The process is simple. Fill the tank, attach the cleaner head, and you're ready to go. However, you may need to refill the water tank during larger cleaning jobs. Overall, it's a great vacuum and a good mop that's lightweight and easy to use. But it comes at a high cost $950. You can't just buy the Submarine head separately for a standard Dyson vacuum. So it's only worth it if you need both vacuuming and mopping features and prioritize convenience for your hard floors. If you have only a small amount of hard flooring, the price might be hard to justify. Tanko Pure One-Station Furrey. The Tanko Pure One-Station Furrey is a premium cordless vacuum that stands out for its convenience and cleaning power. It has strong suction, the iLoop smart sensor, and a self-emptying base that automatically cleans the vacuum's brush, tube, and dustbin after each use. The base may seem complicated at first, but it's compact and easy to fit in a corner. The vacuum itself is simple to use with a one-button start and does a good job cleaning pet hair and other messes. With a 60-minute battery life, it's ideal for cleaning large areas, and it comes with auto and max modes, plus auto-adjusting suction thanks to the iLoop sensor. The vacuum also connects to Wi-Fi, allowing you to check settings through a mobile app, though most key information can be viewed directly on the docking station screen. One of its best features is the self-emptying base, which holds up to 60 days worth of dirt in a large dustbin that doesn't require bags. You simply empty the bin into your garbage every few weeks. The base also uses air gust to clean out the brush and tube, eliminating the need to manually remove trapped hair or dirt. The fur-free version includes attachments for pet grooming, which is particularly useful for dog owners. If you don't need the pet attachments, you can opt for the standard version, which is $200 cheaper, but still includes the self-cleaning base and strong suction. Overall, both versions of the Pure One-Station are great options, especially for those seeking a vacuum that's easy to maintain with minimal effort. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best cordless vacuums. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the latest home tech. Got a favorite vacuum or one you're thinking about buying? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Happy cleaning, and we'll see you in the next one.